Okay, you gotta keep the pine needles and leaves out of this section here of the car, Tacoma. This is how you get junk in your inside filter, cabin filter. So I'll just get a blower, blow most of this junk out, just to keep it clean. Take care of your vehicle and it'll take care of you. All right, let's check the cabin filter. Real easy in a Tacoma. This is a 2023 Tacoma. Glove box down. That it's just in the back. You don't even have to lower the glove box or anything. And that goes in front of that. So this is the cabin filter right here. You can see it's got some leaves and junk on it. We'll just clean it out, so they can't say it's dirty. And I'll put it back in. Maybe I'll vacuum it out a little bit. Okay, it's the air filter, pretty foolproof. There's a little message right there. This side up, this side in. This is the glove box. Slides right in. It's the back of the glove box. And this piece right here, see the clips. Clip, snap, snap. And then this piece right here, this slide up and remove. And real easy peasy. That's the cabin air filter. Don't let the dealership charge you $100 to do that. You can buy one on Amazon or just pull it out and shake it and get the dirt out and put it back in. Real easy. Again, to access the cabin filter on a 2023 Tacoma, to access the cabin filter on a 23 Tacoma, glove box, open it, back door, lift up and out. This right here is clip on both sides. Clip here, comes right out. And there's your filter. Pull it out, clean it a little bit, put it back in. And even on the filter, this side up, this side in, pretty foolproof. Put it back in, clip, clip, and slide back in. That easy. Take you a minute. Another option I got on my Tacoma is a glove box insert. Gives you more space. That quick and easy, and that way you get 4 compartments. It's like $20 on Amazon. It's just a glove box organizer for Tacoma. Great Father's Day gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift. And also another option I got was organizer for the glove box. Store more storage, like a top shelf, and brings the power cords to the top for your phone. But if you got a wife that likes to keep a lot of stuff in the glove box, it's a great organizer.